Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 22nd of English for 10th class. In this lecture we will discuss the exercise of the poem which we have read in our previous lecture named as The Rain. Students, first of all we will discuss the vocabulary. Give an antonym for each given word and make sentence with both words. You are to tell the antonyms for the given words and then you will make sentence as rich, poor, top, bottom, near, far, light, dark, etc. Students, then we have denotation and connotation. Students, denotation means these are the techniques that are used to find out the meaning of the word, to have the exact meaning of the word, that either it is some literal meaning or some feeling associated to any word. First we have denotation. Denotation is the डिक्शनरी एंड लिटरल मीनिंग ऑफ अ वर्ड मीन्स किसी भी लफ्ज़ का जो लुगवी मतलब है, एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग है डिक्शनरी के मुताबिक, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेनोटेशन. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल वी हैव अ वर्ड हाउस. इट मीन्स अ प्लेस टू लिव इन, जिसमें हम रहते हैं. कॉनोटेशन ऑन द अदर हैंड इज़ सम फीलिंग और आइडिया दैट इज़ एसोसिएटेड टू अ वर्ड. मीन्स जब हम किसी लफ्ज़ को बोलते हैं तो वो लफ्ज़ बोलते ही या पढ़ते ही या सुनते ही जो ख्याल हमारे जहन में आता है, दैट इज़ इट्स कॉनोटेटिव मीनिंग. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हाउस मीन्स टू अ प्लेस टू लिव इन, बट व्हेन वी से हाउस तो हो सकता है कि हमारे जहन में कोई स्पेसिफ़िक घर आ जाए जो हमें बहुत पसंद हो या किसी भी और फीलिंग के साथ. सो द कॉनोटेटिव मीनिंग कैन बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. If the feeling is good, the connotation would be positive, and if the feeling is bad, the connotative meaning would be negative. Here we have an example: home, house, residence, dwelling. All these words mean a place in which someone lives. के सारी वही जगहें हैं जहाँ पे कोई रहता है. ये इसका डेनोटेटिव मीनिंग है. कॉनोटेटिव मीनिंग क्या होगा? होम, कोजी, लविंग, कंफर्टेबल, फीलिंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. मीन्स ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे हमें सुकून मिलता है, एहसास तहफ़्फ़ुज़ मिलता है. हाउस द एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग, मीन्स जो इमारत है. रेजिडेंस, कोल्ड विदाउट फीलिंग, मीन्स रेजिडेंस जो है वो आर्जी भी हो सकती है. डिवेलिंग, प्राइमटिव और बेसिक, यानी ऐसी जगह जहाँ से हम बिलोंग करते हैं. मीन्स ऑल दीज वर्ड्स हैव डेनोटेटिव मीनिंग दैट these are the places where someone lives, but they are different in their connotative meaning. Students, then we have an exercise. Which connotation is more positive? We are to find out the connotation that is positive. Our trip in Quebra Mines was fine, wonderful. Now which word is more appropriate? That is wonderful. Dash people rode on the roller coaster. Brave. Students, the other three would be done by you. Then we have which connotation is more negative? We bought dash souvenirs at the Quebra Mines. Cheap, inexpensive. Now we are to see which is more negative. It is cheap. I ate a dash sandwich. It would be soggy, means उसमें नमी थी. मोइस्ट जो है वो कुछ कुछ नम है और सोगी मीन्स ज़्यादा उसमें नमी थी. सो द अदर two examples would be done by you. Then we have metaphor. Students, metaphor is a figure of speech in which an implied comparison is made between two unlike things means ये एक ऐसा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है। एज वी नो कि फिगर ऑफ स्पीच जो है ये राइटर्स वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं। क्यों? अपनी तहरीर को खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए राइटर्स पोइट्स जो हैं वो फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच यूज़ करते हैं एंड मेटाफर इज़ वन ऑफ देम। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक ऐसी टेक्निक है जिसमें दो चीज़ों के दरमियान कंपैरिजन में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको एक बिल्कुल ही अनलाइक सा नेम दे दिया जाता है। मींस देयर इज़ अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू अनलाइक थिंग्स एंड एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ गिवन द नेम ऑफ एन अनलाइक ऑब्जेक्ट। ही वॉज अ लाइन इन द बैटल। नाउ सी, he means human beings and lion is an animal, so why we have given him the name of an animal? Because of his bravery. So students, metaphor means a figure of speech in which the comparison is made between two unlike objects. We have an exercise. Junaid, select the choice that explains the meaning of the metaphor as is used in the sentence. Junaid is an ox. Now we are to see in which sense Junaid is called an ox. Junaid is deaf, Junaid is weak, Junaid is strong. Now he is called an ox because of his strength, because he is strong. Waleed is a real couch potato. The metaphor couch potato means Waleed is always busy with some activity. Waleed is lazy. Waleed likes to go outside and play. Now you will find out the exact metaphor for the given sentence. Shahid is a volcano after hearing his brother borrowed his car without permission. The metaphor Shahid is a volcano means Shahid is angry. Shahid lives in Japan. Shahid was a triangle head, has a triangle head. Now volcano means, as we know, Atish Fishan, so the most likely would be he was angry. So students, you will see the rest of the sentences and then you will find out the exact metaphor. So this was our lecture for today. Thank you so much.